Today we will move 3 gun safes and 2 vault doors for this gun store that is relocating. We will move this fence vault door. We will also move this steel vault door along with its frame. Now here, cha-cha-cha-cha, are the 3 safes we will move. 2 safes weigh 1,000 pounds each and the third weighs 1,500 pounds. It is showtime. We start tackling the Winchester safe weighing 1,500 pounds. We wrap it completely for protection and wheel it using our hydraulic jacks. There goes the first safe winched inside of our truck. Now we will pull out from the wall the first 1,000 pounder. When safes are next to each other and close to the walls, it is a little tricky to pull them out. At the destination, we start unloading the gun safes. We position the safes where requested. Now the second 1,000 safe will be positioned. The unloading is pretty straightforward and the operation runs smoothly. And now we bring in the 1,500 pound gun safe for its position. To complete the job, we unload the vault doors. All 3 gun safes are now in position. I wish the customers good luck and success in their new location. God bless America.